Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about fatty acid mobilization. For starters, this is all going to be happening here in the mitochondria. We're going to start with some kind of androgenic receptor here that's going to basically kickstart this fatty acid mobilization. It could be things like epinephrine, norepinephrine, growth hormone, glucocorticosteroids, kind of like cortisol, thyroid stimulating hormone. And then this process could actually also be inhibited by things such as like insulin. So after meals, fat mobilization will be paused for periods of time when your insulin levels are high post food intake. So once we get started, we'll need some ATP, and then we're going to end up with an inactive protein kinase, which will be activated by the cyclic AMP here, which will then help break down our triglycerides into a glycerol and fatty acids via the hormone-sensitive lipase. And then after that helps break down those triglycerides, we have the glycerol and the fatty acids that are then going to be sent up into the blood, the capillary blood flow. Now glycerol is going to be water soluble, so it's going to be easy to carry to the blood or throughout the blood to the liver, where it would be broken down either into glucose or maybe even back into triglycerides, maybe for storage. Your fatty acids, however, are not water soluble, so they need to be carried in the blood by plasma proteins. So this glycerol will be, and the fatty acid will be changed again into the glycerol via monoglycerol or monoacylglycerol lipase, and then the glycerol and the fatty acid, or I'm sorry, all the three fatty acids here are going to go up into the capillary blood flow, which will be transported with albumin. And that should wrap up how fatty acids get broken down and then sent out into the capillary blood flow.